Hey guys. Well, I've been suffering FOMO lately, if kids are still saying that these days, with this whole new tool day trend going on around social media. So I went out and got myself this from Noceti Custom Guitars. So Dan makes all kinds of handy looking jigs, and this one looked especially timely. Plenty of bubble wrap. Goodies. What do we got in here? Okay. Anything else? Oh. Okay. Oh. Love the personal touch. Well, good. Well, I appreciate your prompt service, too. This came within days of ordering. And not a minute too soon, because I'm going to be putting it to work tomorrow. Okay, it comes with a handy, still in the package, still in the original packaging, hex wrench, which I'll make sure to lose as quickly as possible. Okay, this is going to make sense to me in due time, I imagine. Okay, let's see what we got here. Wow, that's pretty thorough. Good. All right. So it's a mini drum sander. And the way he kind of markets it as is for basically sanding in the ski slope on Fender style headstocks, you know, for that fly down from the fingerboard behind the nut down to the headstock. But I thought it would also come in really handy for sanding small pieces that would get caught between the intake and outtake rollers on my big drum sander on the floor model. So we're going to find out. But either way, it looks to be really solidly built. It's got some weight to it, that's for sure. This thing is not going to fly around on your bench. And it looks like you've got a little extra space here for clamping it down if you wanted to. But I think you probably could even get away with maybe just a rubber mat under it on your bench, and that and the weight of this thing, I don't think it's going to go anywhere unless you're really kind of pushing it with the however heavy duty a piece you want to feed through there. But I was thinking it could be really handy for doing like headstock veneer faceplates. So yeah, basically you're wrapping your sandpaper onto here. It looks like there's a clamping system here of sorts. We'll get into that tomorrow and figure that out. And then of course, basically you just chuck your drill up on the side, and Bob's your uncle. But I've got another handy little setup that I'm going to try out tomorrow with it. So we'll see how that goes. And then, yeah, it looks like there's some adjustability to this, which might be what this is for. I guess we'll find out when I actually read the instructions. But yeah, well thought out. Looks like that could be for the angle adjustment on this on the platform. It's also got a nice grippy kind of texture to the material, which could be handy. But yeah, all in all, it looks well thought out. It looks well constructed. It's definitely got some heft to it, and we'll find out tomorrow. So we'll do a live in progress tomorrow with it, and see how it goes. All right, see you then. Stay tuned.